Okay, so this is a practice question here. Prepare 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide in 100 ml. Take molar mass to be equal to 40 grams per mole and percentage purity to be 98%. So, solution. So, step one. Define a molar solution. In respect to the compound to prepare. So in this case, we are preparing sodium hydroxide. And what is a molar solution? In the previous video, a molar solution is the weight in grams of 1 mole of a substance dissolved in 1000 ml. And in respect to the compound now, in this equation, is sodium hydroxide. So that will be, what is my molar mass of sodium hydroxide? 40 grams. So 40 grams of sodium hydroxide in 1000 ml is equal to 1 molar. So a molar solution, which is 1 molar solution, is the weight in grams. So this is the weight in grams per mole. But as you saw in the previous equation, we proved that a 1 molar solution in a 1 liter volume, the molar mass is equal to mass. So the weight in grams of 1 mole of a substance, so the 1 mole of a substance is talking about the molar mass. So 40 grams of sodium hydroxide in 1000 ml will be equal to 1 molar. Nextly, the next step 2, decrease the concentration in step 1 to the desired concentration as per the question. Now note NB, this affects both the concentration and the mass. Now what is this point trying to say? As per the question, they say you should prepare 0.1 molar but not 1 molar, and so you have to decrease this to the 0.1 molar as per the question. But you remember I said before that let's assume your compound is sugar. You've poured 40 grams of sugar inside 1000 ml and it's giving you 1 molar. Now you want to reduce that particular taste of the solution. To reduce it, you have to find for a factor. So here you are going to find a factor. So you are supposed to find a factor that will be able to decrease the concentration of this solution to the concentration as per the question. So that factor is, you take this one, you divide by the concentration in the question, and then you get a factor. So this one divided by 0.1 is 10, and so 10 is my factor. So here I have to divide the concentration over 10 in order to get 0.1 as per the question. However, because I'm reducing the taste, it means that I'm reducing the mass too, because if you don't reduce the mass, you can never reduce the taste. So when you are reducing the taste, it technically means that you're also reducing mass by that same factor. So at this point, this would be 40 grams divided by 10 of sodium hydroxide in 1000 ml is equal to 1 molar divided by 10 in order to get my desired concentration as per the question. And so this one will give you 0.1 molar, and then this one will give you 4 grams. So meaning 4 grams of sodium hydroxide in 1000 ml will be equal to 0.1 molar. This simply means that if you take 40 grams of sugar and you put it in 1000 ml of water, the taste will be 1 molar. However, if you take 4 grams and you put in the same 1000 ml, because you've decreased the amount of sugar, the taste will also decrease. So you can see this is 0.1 and you have decreased it from 40 to 4 grams. And so 4 grams is just a small amount. And so the taste wouldn't be there that much. So this is what this point means. So this one is fine. So now you've gotten the concentration as per the question. However, the question didn't say you should prepare the solution in 1000 ml, but rather in what? 100 ml. So you have to now tackle the volume. So step 3.